Dorothy. I'm going to show you how to double your Thieves Laundry soap so you get 2 for the price of 1. So you're going to save money and your product's going to last longer. Very simple. All we need to do is remove 2 cups. So pour out 2 cups from the original bottle. A little trick or tip. A pint mason jar is 2 cups, so if you do have one of these, it makes it really simple for pouring and measuring, because all we have to do is pour out the laundry soap into the mason jar, and then that'll be exactly 2 cups. So you can throw the lid on top of your mason jar and put it aside for later. Now in the original bottle, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of Thieves household cleaner. If you have the smaller bottle, you can use 2 caps of that, but I've got the big bottle here. Just gonna throw my funnel on top to help with the spillage. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons in here, but if you have the smaller bottle, you can put 2 caps. This is gonna help boost the cleaning power of your laundry soap. After that, all we need to do is throw in some essential oil. So I've got lemon here. I'm going to put 3 to 5 drops of lemon in there. And then I'm going to do the same for Thieves. I'm going to throw in 3 to 5 drops of Thieves. And then I'll do the same for purification. I like to throw in a bit of purification into the laundry soap to give it a little boost in there. After that, we just need filtered water to fill up the bottle. We have boiled water here. It's always nice to use warm water because it helps it mix everything up, mix the household cleaner and all the essential oils together. So we'll just fill that up to the top. Give it a good shake to mix it all together, and then we've got 2 bottles of laundry soap for the price of 1. So all you have to do once this is empty is use your funnel again and pour in the 2 cups into your bottle, and then you've got yourself a second batch once you have the household cleaner and the essential oils. Don't worry about your laundry soap being less effective or not cleaning as well, because we have added the household cleaner and the essential oils to give it that boost. So if anything, it's going to clean your clothes even better. And also the Thieves laundry soap, you'll notice, is super thick and super concentrated, so you're not going to lose any cleaning power by diluting it. You're going to save some money. You're going to make your product last longer. Also, make sure you just use a little bit. We're so used to the conventional laundry soap lids that are huge and take up a lot of liquid, but for a load, we just want to use half of the cap, a quarter of the cap if you have a HE washing machine. So that's all, you guys. If you have questions or would like to chat, let's get in touch. You can email me, you can send me a message on Facebook, and let's chat. Thanks for watching, guys.